For the final call in the early dawn, we are there. For the late night arrival to a place never seen, we're there. For home away from home, or home away too long. For the smile on his face, the answer she gave, the winning presentation, the goodbye wave. For the low-cost seat, the penthouse suite. For the flight cancellation, the car reservation. Railway, runway, highway, hall, we're there. For the mobile lookers and the corporate bookers. For the frequent flyers and the trip of a lifetime buyers. From a view to a view, a click to a click, her booking to her book. For him and them, and her, we're there. To listen, to lead, for the next move, for your best move. New definitions, new conversations, for speed and scale, to transform, to outperform, to grow, to succeed. Every single second of every day, where travel is being searched, shared, bought or sold, we're there. From land to the seas, to the skies. We're there for your business, we're there for your customers. We are Travelport, and we are redefining travel commerce.